hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. I hope that you consider hanging out and subscribing. If you are not new here, I am so glad that you're back again and joining me for this video. All right, so today, as you can see by the title, we have the Cloth and Paper February box. Unfortunately, I'm in Canada, so I do get it a little later than most people. It does take a little bit longer to get to me, so if you've seen others or others have posted about it, they've just gotten it before me. But a lot of you guys did want to see what I get, and you said you enjoy my functional unboxing videos and my hauls for my functional planner. It's different from my memory stuff and my more like elaborate decorative planning, so I figured I would just continue doing this. So yeah, this is my second box. I did the 3-month subscription from Cloth and Paper. My last month will be March, and then I'm gonna decide if I want to continue doing it. I think I want to really considering it. I don't have subscriptions, aren't a normal thing for me. I just recently subscribed to the Simply Gilded washi subscription, but the washi only portion, because all those extras I just don't have the room for, or I won't have the room for when we move at the end of the summer. But I really did want the washi, which is kind of silly because I don't have to get a new washi box because my acrylics are full. But anyway, so if you are new here, just a super quick little introduction. This is my B6. It is a functional planner. It is by Aura Estelle. It's vegan leather, and it has the gold hardware. It comes to and from work with me, and if it can fit in the purse that I'm carrying that day, it's coming with me. So it does 100% come with me to work. I use it quite a bit. I will have my link in my flip through from 2 weeks ago in the description box below, but this is kind of more or less what it looks like right now. It's pretty much the same. If you saw that video, I haven't really added anything to it. Oh, I did. I actually added quite a bit to it. But yeah, so I have my weekly stuff in here. I even have my monthlies in here. I have like a lot. So I've got some notes pages now going, and then I have a whole bunch happening, and then my dailies as well. So check out that video if you want to see. I am going to be doing an updated one at the 6-month mark, so that'll probably be about June or July when I update and let you know how it's working for me, what I've taken out, what I've discovered using it, and if I'm still using it, because mind you, right now it's pretty pinnacle to my life, so it's very, very important to me. It has everything. So that is my functional planner. That is not how that's how I normally plan day to day. Not a lot of stickers, just very, very functional stickers. And then all my plan with me is, as you guys have seen, if you have been a long-time subscriber, are more like memory plans with kits, and that's in my A5 wide. So yeah, so let's dive into this. I'm very excited. I did take a peek, not gonna lie, because I wanted to see what was in it. All right, so every box has this kind of little like what's inside. So this one here, we have task delegation inserts, which I'm very excited for. Structured dashboard, build your own story dashboard, resolute dashboard, Pantheon plan dashboard, and then new Neptune circle sticky notes. Very cute. And the line graph in dot grid sticky notes and journaling cards as well, with the April month, the clear and the matte. And then, oh, I love quote cards. If you've seen the inside of my planner, my B6, it looks like this. And it's all these beautiful inspiration quote cards. So those are fun. Maybe we'll switch them up. And I'll let you know as I go through this if it's anything I'm going to put in my planner immediately or hang on to. Okay. By the way, if you are a longtime subscriber, then you'll see I have a different desktop. I just put down a brand new vinyl just to change up the top of my desk, and I love it. It turned out so good. Okay. I love this. These are super cute. I feel like any of these like large prints I want to hang on to and put in a frame on our wall. So I have been hanging on to those. All right, so this here we have really pretty. This is the structured dashboard. Structured, having and manifesting a clearly defined structure or organization. Very cute. I like this. It's coming up almost a little gray on the camera, but it's actually a little bit more warm toned. So cute. All right. This is the I don't know which dashboard this one is. Pantheon plan, I think. I'm not sure. But it's very cute, very different. I like this one. I think I'm gonna put this one in my planner like right away. It's so cute. Own your own story. I love this. And then the Resolute, this is very cute too. I'll probably throw this in somewhere as well, or hang on to it maybe for after I graduate. Okay, so here we have the task delegations, which I really like. I have, in a given day at work, I have quite a few little things to do. This is really good. My dailies have that, but sometimes I tend to run out of room, or this could be like an overall, I might do this like an overall weekly thing. Like if I have to get any assessments done, doesn't have to be done that day, it can be done in a couple days. I might actually use this as a weekly instead of just the date. These are very cute. I love these. Into the fun stuff. Oh, what's this? Okay. So this is the doc grid. So it is called, no, we're not gonna go down. All right, so we have the doc grid sticky notes. We have the Chateau Graph sticky note, the 1 by 3 inches. I'll open those in a minute. And then we have the porcelain lined sticky notes. I actually really like these. And then I'm excited for these. I saw that she was doing circle sticky notes, and these are fun. I like these. I do take a couple sticky notes and I put them inside my planner as well, just to have them on hand. All right, and then here, let's do this since we're done with it. Okay. So we have the April, let's see, the clear April month matte clear card. We have this one here. This is the change quote card. Very cute. This is the April month matte card. And I believe I have them both in my planner as well. This one here is the Futuro one. Yeah. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Aspire not to have more, but to be more. I like this. And this one here is Aspire. I like these quote cards. These are fun. I'm definitely going to use, I'm popping this in for when April starts. March just got here. But I like that she's always like ahead by quite a bit. I really like that. So these I'm going to probably pop in for April. I really like this one, the Aspire one. And I like this one, but I think I'm going to hold off on putting these two in. I'm definitely popping this in, some of these in. I'm going to hang on to these ones because I don't use grids and dots nearly as much. And then I think I'm going to hang on to these. I have a pretty full planner, so I might hang on to these for a little bit or take out some of what I've got going on, mostly because I have these from Cloth Paper that go in each monthly as well. So yeah, and I'm gonna pop this in and this in too. I'm gonna hang on to these two. They're very cute. All right, so yeah, so this is what is gonna be going in my planner currently. I can actually put them in. Let's do that. So I'm gonna pop them in. I will speed this up and so you can kind of see what I do with it, and I'll actually talk over a voiceover with that. So let's speed things up. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just pop these in. I'll talk you through it. I hope you enjoyed that really fun first half. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna pull out a couple of my inspiration cards, or sometimes I had them as little like background embellishments, and pop in ones that I can pull out and find meaning in as well. I love that maroon love one, but I had it there more so for like February and Valentine's Day. But I really like that Aspire one, and I'm just kind of fixing up what I've got going on here, putting them back in properly. And I'm going to be swapping out this vellum. So her vellum is really beautiful. It's not a thin vellum. It's fairly thick, almost like a dashboard. I love it. I love that it's matte and slightly see-through. And I thought the one that she put in her box was cute. So I figured it's time for a little change. Let's change it out. So I'm going to pop it on. And I let it sit on it for a second, but I actually ended up changing the dashboard under it. I'm also trying not to
open my planner by pulling open the rings. I'm really bad with that. Also, look how cute that is. That's my, if you haven't, if you're not on my Instagram, you can totally follow me. I posted some pictures of my functional planner, and I'm enjoying posting pictures of them. Here I'm trying to find a section where I don't have like private things in there, like numbers and hours and stuff I have to do for work. So I was just kind of flipping through and being like, oh, can't show that, can't show this. So yeah, I'm actually pulling this one out, and this is where I decide to just swap out my dashboard into something a little different. See, you can tell I tried to like, I was like, oh, I'm going to hang on to this 2021 one and probably bring it back in maybe in a couple of months just for something different. I had quite a few questions on my Instagram and comments saying the vellum, my floral vellum that you saw a little bit ago was really cute. I actually made that. That was for me. I did a whole story on it a while back. This Unbox vellum I also made for myself. I really like the lines, and the script is one of my favorite scripts that I use quite often. So yeah, I enjoyed it. This appointment sticky note is also from Cloth and Paper. I believe it was from the January box, and it's really cute. I do use it quite often, and I'll stick it like on my weekly just so I remember, or if I have any appointments at work, it goes on my work section. I'm just pulling off a few of these round sticky notes to have. I actually use sticky notes quite often. We use them often to leave notes for each other when we need to at work, so they're really handy. Again, me trying not to show you anything that I shouldn't be showing you. I'm just trying to find a place to put my remaining sticky notes. I do use that meal section. I just forgot to fill out the front page. I do have something that's going to go in there. I just haven't like gone and done that yet. So yeah. So just pulling off these ones, and I actually reach into my cart and grab a couple of my other ones that I use. So I do have a cart. The top half of my cart is all my functional stuff, all my pens, like my brush pens, my black pens, the ones that I'll use for my functional planner, and then the other two are for storage for like old planners. My Aura Styles live on there. I know a lot of you guys want to see what my cart looks like. I'm going to do a cart tour. I think I'm going to do it when I move into the new place. So at the end of the summer, maybe if I can. There's just a lot happening and I have a lot of other videos planned. Initially, I was going to make my next week my storage video, but I actually finished editing the first half of my 2020 planners. So that'll be next Tuesday's video. But yeah, just popping down these little squares and little square notepads. Those are also from Cloth and Paper, and so is this little tab. And that's pretty much that. There's nothing too crazy going on. Just throwing in. I was trying to see if I wanted another little card there, but I love the one that I have. It works for me. And this is it. Hope you guys have a really good one. I will see you soon. Be safe. See you on Saturday. Bye.